Hi, my name is Andy Brock, project manager for America's Home Place, the Calhoun office. Today we're looking at a Stanton. It's about 3,900 square feet under roof. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and this one's been pretty modified. It's got a nice big vaulted ceiling, but we're here to look at the insulation. It's just before drywall, so all of the mechanicals have been put into the room, into all the rooms into the house, and it is getting ready to go into drywall. The biggest purpose of insulation is just to keep the unheated space, which in this case is the outside, from being into the heated space, so you're not sharing the cold and the hot depending on the season of the year. So in this case, you've got the insulation as a barrier, as well as house wrap and OSB on the outside, and all of those work together to keep the house to the temperature that you choose when you are setting on your thermostat, so that it's not continuously fluctuating. But America's Home Place, batt insulation is standard in the walls. Here we've got R13 in the exterior walls. We've got R38 insulation in the ceiling right here where it is uninsulated above it. The area above the kitchen area that has this nice extra room up here past the railing that'll be up there is actually heated here and heated up there, so there's no need to put insulation between those two floors, whereas we need to there to keep it from the attic space that's above it. Okay, with R values, you have to have a specific R value for the cavity, the space that it is actually going to be in to insulate. So in a 2x4 wall, an R13 is appropriate because it completely fills the space without being compacted. If it's too high of an R value, it's a thicker insulation that would be compressed and therefore not insulating to its max capacity. And in the attic, in the ceiling here and in the attic against this wall, we'll be doing a blown cellulose that is the same R value as the batts, but it's a blown product, so you can actually get it to the appropriate thickness and it covers very well, and it actually is able to get to all the little tight spaces that are tougher to get to with batts, but you can guarantee that there is actually insulation where it needs to be. If you'd like to learn more, please visit us at americashomeplace.com and be sure to like and subscribe.